Okay, so the next one is a deficit hip thrust. What you're gonna do, bring yourself down, essentially so in the right spot that you would do your normal hip thrust. This is just a progression. So essentially all I'm doing is, this will now allow me my bum to come lower than the height of the floor. So if I was struggling before and it's getting too easy, I can now focus on this. So I'm raise my feet up, set my shoulders back, scapula back. Girls, ladies, I want your bra strap on the edge basically, so you know you're in the right spot. Drive your bum down, drive up. From here, drive up. In terms of your feet, even though I'm on a deficit, I still need you to make sure that your feet are in the right spot. So I don't want to go too far forward, it's too hamstring related, too narrow or too close, it's just not going to work. So I need it to be, while I'm up, we're creating a right angle, that's what I'm looking to do. Come here, come up. Try your very best not to drop your head back. Basically this top half should basically stay the same. And drop my ribs down into my hips, and this top half shouldn't really move at all, it should just be this. That's it, have a go.